Hey everyone, once again, welcome back. You are learning a lot, and today in this video, I'm going to explain that how to send the notification to the administrator that if our product is out of stock, right? So, for example, someone has purchased this product and this one is out of the stock, and we are successfully tracking the users that which user is purchasing the product and it's out of the stocks. So now we need two scenarios. The first one is for the user, so we need to notify the user when this stock will be available, and another is we need to inform the administrator that this product is out of stock, so add some products inside this and so add some quantity into this product, right? So now how to do this. So we cannot do this like on the buy now button. Whenever someone is purchasing, if it's out of stocks, we will send the notification on the administrator, right? But what if that if the someone is not purchased this product and it could be the out of stock, so there is 3 days pause, no one purchased this product, and when on the fourth day someone came on the website and purchased these products, so then this notification will be sent to the administrator, which is wrong, right? So before these 3 days it's already out of stock, so we need to inform this at the same time when it's out of the stock. So how to do this? So for this we need the cron job. So what is cron job? So basically cron job is a automation, you can say that it automation. It basically track it's basically run the script at the specific time, right? So here we will do this, that we are going to check the quantity of our products, also check the out of stock notifications table, and check that if there are any logs. So we'll execute this script after every minute, and it will send the notification to the administrator and users too if it's available, right? So now how to implement this, so let's get started here. So here we need the cron job, right? So in the Laravel provide us cron job, and Laravel is providing almost everything to us, so we don't need to worry about things. So if I go here and visit this laravel.com, so here we are in the Laravel 10, right, which is the latest version of Laravel. You can also open the master template here, not template, we can open the master version here. To this master version, all of the things will work in the all of the versions, so that's why it's master. Okay, and here we need to search the cron job, right? So basically we will schedule our task and then we will run this under the specific time. Configuration, to let's go to the top. Okay, why it's not doing this? Let me search it again. Cron job. Okay, let's go above it's what's not searching exactly what I'm looking for. Cron job, cron scheduling. It's only highlighting the script, so I don't want this cron job, cron configuration, cron commands, artisan configuration. Okay, no. Okay, it's not opening from the very first page, right? So I need to on this cron. Yes, we are now on the first page. So here defining the schedule, we need to do this, we need to call this like this, or we can create the cron job, another cron job using the command of php artisan make job, and then we can make command and then we can this out, right? here we can send this information like this, and you can also read more of them that without overlapping you can send this on the specific time at the Friday and specific time, and everything you can mention here, right? So for running the cron job you need to run this at once in the server, and then you need to run this in the local development to always run this to execute the cron job, right? So now let's get started to create the cron job. So php artisan make command, right? And what would be the command name? Want to make this first out of out of stock notification, product out of stock, you can say that product out of stock notification, product out of stock notification. Okay, let's go here, commands, and let's click on this. So here now this one is created, and here you can add your product to your cron job name, and then here you can add the description, and then you can add the logic inside this cron job, right? So first let me move the existing stuff here. I'm going to move the you can say that out of stock notification, right? Like this you can in here send email to administrator when when products is out of stock, right? When some or when any product is out of stock, right? And here you need to write your logic, right? So I want to first check that which product is out of stock, and then I will send the notification to the administrator, right? So we can send the generic information to the administrator that for example, if we have 10 products and one product is out of stock, so we can send the overall message to the administrator that some products are out of stock, or we can send the specific notification, right? So we are going to send the specific notification, right? So here we are going to check we are going to get all of the product, right? And here I'm going to form the all, right? And if you are using any of the methods, so you can use this with, so it will eager load your records. So here I think I don't have any relation. I am only using the here this gallery, so I need to pull the gallery. Yes, I will. Okay, and then simply call this get method, and here now I want to load all of the products and then send the notification. So here I will implement this for each, and do products as single product, right? Product, and then implement here is we're going to check the quantity of product, right? So if product product quantity, right, product quantity is less than 1, so it means that this product have less than 1. If the product quantity is less than 1, so it means that this product is out of stock, right? So we need to send the email. So before sending the email we need the data of this product. So here I will create a data object, right? And here I will store the ID of this product first. Let me add the product oops, product ID, right? And then add the product ID like this, and then product name, right? Then product name like this, right? So we want to send the ID to the administrator. So ID is a unique, and then we can send the product name, and then we don't need other parameter like its image and stuff like that. So administrator can easily find this using name or ID. And then we need the mail. We need to send the email to the administrator. So send this mail, and then to method, and here we will specify the administrator email, right? So now we can the more ways we can check this, that who is administrator. So we can directly check into the database and grab the administrator email, right? And what if we have multiple administrator? So we will send the email to the all of the administrator, right? So it's okay. So here I'm going to pull all of the administrator, and I want to send the email to the all of the administrator, right? So how to do this? So for this we need to also do this same thing. Like we need to pull all of the administrator and then grab their email and pass this here inside an array, right? So we will pass this array object, and it will send email to the all of the administrator. But for now we have only one admin, so we are going to pull the single admin user where is admin have user admin, right? Oops, admin, right? And then this first, right? Okay, so here I'm using constant. Why I'm using these constant? Because I don't want to add this one here. So this one is not showing anything that what is the meaning of this one, right? But this constant is properly telling that admin have this one. That's why I added this one here, right? So use these things which will help you in the future, or help any of the new developers who will work on your project. These are the best practices. And here user admin, and then the thing is first here we did this, and then it will we need the admin email. So we can simply get the admin email like this, right? And then we need to send the email. So simply call the send, and then here you need the email, right? Let's create the email. uh, pp artisan make mail, and what's the mail name would be the send out of of stock stock mail. And then we need another mail which is out of stock user notification mail. Notification, you can say the out of stock admin, or out of stock user, but this one is more descriptive. Out of stock user notification mail, right? Out of stock user mail. Let me add this user mail like this. Out of stock no, notification is also good. Out of stock user mail, or out of stock out of stock user mail. Yes, that's fine. And in the above, let me open the mail. Here we have out of stock mail. So let me add this out of stock admin mail like this. So this one looks more descriptive. Out of stock admin mail, right? Okay, so now it's so added here. Out of stock admin email. So this one contain the construct envelope and like this one, right? Okay, So now we need the same I'm going to use this same template which we used existing in the for the referral. So here I'm going to create a new template for admin email, or you can say that admin mail dot php. uh, Here we need to first create the directory, right, which is out out stock or out of stock, like this. No, we need to follow the Lara-ish way. Out of stock like this. Why I add these hyphen to the underscore? Because Laravel is following this node modules, right? So here out of stock, and we'll add this admin mail, and then here we'll also add the user mail, right? User dot mail dot play dot php. Okay, so first design this for the administrator. So simply cut this and paste this functionality here, and we will display that hi admin, right? Great. Here we will inform the user administrator that this product is out of the stock. So we can say that product name, and then the thing to sum of product. We can also display here name of our application is config app dot name. Hmm, this one reward system, website reward system, pro some products are out of stock. Please list the list of out of stock products of stock products, right? And here we can list all of the products here. Okay, we can list all of the products here to the referral code, and here we can display that this would be the product name, right? This one would be the display the product name, other than display the other things like its product. This would be the product ID, and then we'll grab this here from product ID and then product name. Okay, and what's other? So we need the okay, for now we need this product ID and product name, right? So simply pass this product ID first and then product name, right? And then other thing is yeah, we can send the yes default link of this our website, and everything else would be the same, right? Okay, and here when we created this out, we need to add this to here, which is, let me check the video size. No, it's not going bigger. And here we need to uh, out of stock user mail and admin email, right? And then let's go here. Before this, here we need to add this thing that here we need to add the data, right? This data, I'm attaching this to this email. So let's go here and open this email. So here we need to accept this in the public property, right, which is public data. That is data, and here accept this data here, and then assign this data to above property. This data I'm referencing the above public data variable, and here I'm passing this constructor data. Okay, and then out of stock mail, out of stock mail, right, like this. I can say that admin out of stock email, and then here we need the view. So site dot emails dot templates dot out of stock, right, and then dot here and admin mail, right. Okay, and then we also want to pass the data here, so use the with property. So here I want to pass this data, and then this data would be this data above property, right, and save this one. We don't need any attachment. Our email is fine, this one is fine, and now let's here we are getting the admin. We got the admin, and then we got the product name, right, price, right. So why we are sending this notification for every single product? We can send this at once, right? So we'll create the list of here products name and product price, and we will send this at once, right? So we will do this first. Let me test this out, and then we will implement this stuff. Okay, refresh here. So this user, let me add some credit to this user. I'm adding some credits to mine as free, right, and this one is admin, right. So let me add to my which email I need to add. I'm adding this Johnny PK email, so let me update this before. I'm changing this like this, which is unused email, so 28 at the rate of gmail.com. So I added this as administrator because I want to receive the notification on this email. So I will also open this email here, right, to receive the dummy emails here on this email. So open this Johnny PK, right, and here, oops, here I added this 20 credits, and then this will send this email to this one, right. And let's check the out of stock product. Let me make this out of stock, right. This one is now out of stock, and also let's go here, click on this buy now, and simply let me check that if there is any error. Click on purchase. Product is out of stock, please wait for it to complete, right, when it's available. So now this notification will not be sent. Why? Because I did this in the cron job, and I forgot to add this to run this cron, right. So first here we need to initialize this here, right. Okay, so let's we don't need to apply, don't need to run this out, right. So it will be automatically run, right. So schedule, and then we call the command. And what's the command? We need to write this name, right, out of stock, this name here. This is the name of our command, and I want to run this every minute, right. I want to run this after every minute, right. So this will be run every minute. I did this here, and now how to run this and these command cron jobs. So we need to run this run a command is php artisan schedule work, right. schedule work, right? Hit enter, so it will check that we have any command here, right? It's added any commands here, so it will locate all of the commands using these ones, and it will send the notification in a minute, right? So this is checking, right? Schedule is start, and yes, it's sent the notification, right, one time, right? And it's running this job. Great. So if I go here in the email tab, there is any notification? No, still I didn't receive any of the notification. What's the problem? If I go to the storage logs, and then I need to go to the bottom of this script, exception, out no argument except for out of command got of exception. Maybe my name is out of this, here I added this space, so that's why it's defining like this. So out of stock, and you can copy this and add this into the kernel, right? Save this one, and then it still is sent it two times. This one is 240 241, right? So it's sent this after 1 minute, so we'll still not receive this email because we fixed this right now. And when this will and then when it will send the notification again, we will receive this notification. Very hope, I'm sure that it will send the notification because we fixed the error. If there is any error, we will fix the problem. The programmers always face these type of errors, so don't worry, it's not the new thing. If you are a senior or a junior, so errors are there. So oh, it's sent the notification, right? And if I go here and give it a refresh, no, it's no, now it's sent the notification, it's in the progress. Give it a refresh, and yes, we got the notification. Reward system, admin out of the stock. Hi admin, hope you are doing great. Your some of the products are out of stock. Please visit the listed below products, product id and product name. That's great, we are successfully able to get the product, right? And now here in the logic, I'm sending the email to the administrator for only single product. So why not to track all of the product? If we have 10 products and 2 products are out of stock, so why we want to send this email two times to administrator that your one product is out of stock and second product is out of stock? Send this one email with two products that these two products are out of stock, right? So let me turn this off. It send the email again, right? So it will basically it's sending it to after 1 minute. Okay, so now I want to send this at once. So here for this we need to track these all of the data, right? So you can say that out of stock products, okay, and then assign this an empty array here, and then we need to call this same array with this symbol. So at the end we will receive out of stock, we'll receive this product, and then product id of one product, then second one, and like this. So here let's cut this out from there, right? Go outside of this for each loop, and then implement this out here, right? Okay, so here out of stock, so we need to pass this out of stock here, right? We pass this here out of stock, so let me go here this email. I'm getting this, converting it to the data. Here we are passing this data, but in the lead here I need to call this properly, because this one is now have a single in this one. This syntax is for the getting the single product, right? Now it's stored in the multi-level array, right? So we need to fetch this through the multi-level array. So how to do this? So simply we don't know that how many products are there inside of this out of stock email, right? So for this we can implement for each. Let me add this to here. I don't know why I did this in the next line, so let me add this here. So remove this body, so it will now cater this inside this only one paragraph. So here actually I want to implement the for each loop for each, right? And we are getting the data, and data has data, or we can say that product, right? And here I want to get the product to like product, here product id and product like this, and then I need the another row of this one same with the product name, right? This one also product name. It will now get the data and then product, and then display the, let me add the, replace this data with the product and product id, product name like this, right? So let's test this out. If it wouldn't work, so we'll fix the issue, no problem. Okay, let's now run the scheduler here. So if you don't want to wait for 1 minute, so you can directly run this using PHP artisan schedule. I don't know what's the spelling of this schedule. I always uh, see it with a bit more concentration schedule, and here you can add the run, so it will instantly run it only one time and close this. Yes, running the command. Wait for a moment to complete this process, and yes, it sent the command. So now let's give it a refresh. We got the email. Hi admin, hope you are doing great. And here we are getting the product id and product name, right? Let's remove this one, and here I'm going to add these three products out of stock, right? So let me no, two ones, this HP laptop and branded earphone. These one will be out of stock, so let's run it again. Okay, running it. Wait for a moment, and yes, it's completed. So here, yes, received. Click on it. We got the product one with the name of HP top, and then second one branded earphone. That's great, amazing thing. We got everything what we are accepting, and administrator can instantly visit the website, right? So oh, it's redirecting me on the localhost. Why? Because in the env, in the app URL variable here, in the app URL variable, I'm using this local host, so I need to use this domain here. So then my administrator will visit my own website. So we'll do this when we will launch our website on the server. So we'll add the domain here, right? So for this you can add the domain name, like in this case we have reward test plates, then it will redirect this on the same thing, right? So you can do this like this, so then it will direct this, so what you are expecting on the local, right? But in the future when you are doing this on the servers, we need to pass the server domain, right? So hope you are enjoying this series, and share your feedback in the comment box that you saw before this you saw any of the playlist like this on the YouTube, which is freely available, and then also share your opinion that how much you are learning from this series. And I'm curious to read your feedback. Meet you in the next video. Bye bye guys.